Welcome to the Exam Sale channel, and today we'll be discussing the Implementing Cisco Data Center Unified Computing exam. This exam is designed to test your skills in implementing and managing Cisco's Unified Computing System, or UCS. In this video, we'll be breaking down the exam syllabus and exploring each domain in detail. The Implementing Cisco Data Center Unified Computing exam consists of 5 domains, each carrying a different weightage. The domains are: Configure Cisco Unified Computing System, UCS at 32%, Implement Unified Computing System, UCS B-Series Connectivity at 21%, Unified Computing System, UCS Maintenance and Operations at 18%, Implement Unified Computing System, UCS Rack Servers at 16%, and Implement Unified Computing System, UCS B-Series Hardware at 13%. In the first domain, Configure Cisco Unified Computing System, UCS, you'll learn about the management and abstraction of physical hardware using logical service profiles and policies. This domain covers topics such as logical resource pools, service profiles, and templates, and is weighted at 32% of the exam. The estimated learning time for this domain is 35 hours, and the assessment type is hands-on and conceptual. Within the Configure Cisco Unified Computing System, UCS domain, you'll learn about logical resource pools, including how to configure UUID pools for global server identification, implement MAC address pools for network interfaces, and manage WWN, WWNN, and WWPN pools for storage connectivity. You'll also learn about service profiles and templates, including how to create and manage service profile templates, configure BIOS policies and hardware settings, and implement boot policies. The second domain, Implement Unified Computing System, UCS B-Series Connectivity, carries a weightage of 21% and focuses on fabric interconnect architecture and logical network storage path configuration. This domain covers topics such as fabric interconnect networking, unified fabric, and storage connectivity, and has an estimated learning time of 25 hours. The assessment type for this domain is hands-on and conceptual. In the Implement Unified Computing System, UCS B-Series Connectivity domain, you'll learn about fabric interconnect networking, including how to configure fabric interconnect in end-host versus switch mode, implement uplink, server, and appliance ports, and configure VLANs and private VLANs. You'll also learn about unified fabric and storage connectivity, including how to implement fiber channel, FC and FCOE connectivity, configure VSANs and SAN pin groups, and describe FCOE initialization protocol, FIP functions. The third domain, Unified Computing System, UCS Maintenance and Operations, carries a weightage of 18% and focuses on system lifecycle management, monitoring, and backup procedures. This domain covers topics such as UCS management and monitoring, firmware and backup management, and has an estimated learning time of 15 hours. The assessment type for this domain is scenario-based. In the Unified Computing System, UCS Maintenance and Operations domain, you'll learn about UCS management and monitoring, including how to configure SNMP and syslog for system monitoring, manage call home and email alerts, and implement role-based access control, RBAC. You'll also learn about firmware and backup management, including how to perform full state and all configuration backups, manage infrastructure and server firmware packages, and execute firmware updates using host firmware packages.